All right, hey YouTube, Kenny here, aka Male Cat Lady. Don't really know what I'm doing today, but what I am gonna do is play with my new airsoft gun I bought. First time ever owning an airsoft gun. I got this Armor Works HX25 in black, and look at how fancy. And then I got myself a magazine and some BBs and all that good stuff that you need to use it. But based on what I saw of a lot of people, they run propane. So I'm gonna try making my own green gas, I guess. I got this kit from Amazon, Airsoft Innovations. I'm sure you've seen them around. I'm sure you've seen this kit. Alright, so I got this little kit here, and based on what I've seen people do online, they kind of just put a few drops in there, and then it looks like you just kind of screw this bad boy on. We got the thing installed on the top of the propane tank here. Well, I guess we're ready to fill it up and see how stinky it is. Huh. I guess it's not that stinky. It smells like propane, but it's not that bad. Everyone made it seem like it was going to be horrible online. I don't know. So I guess magazine is filled. I guess it works. Oh yeah, there it is. There's the stinkiness. I don't really know what else to say about it. It ran fine with my green gas that I made myself. It shot great. It feels great. It's got a really nice weight to it, nice balance to it. Yeah, it's a pretty sweet gun. Otherwise, yeah, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and thanks for watching.